Hey guys, today my family is going on a quick overnight camping trip at Table Rock Lake. So I got to get packed up behind me here in the Jeep, get everything ready, so let's go. All right, so today we're going to Table Rock Lake on an overnight camping trip. It's Friday, April 5th, and it's going to be me, my wife, and my youngest daughter. I've finally talked my wife into going camping. This will be the first time she's been with me, outside of just like sleeping out in the backyard when I first got the tent to test it out. But this will be our first official camping trip with me and all of us together, actually. Older two kids, have two teenagers too, and they're going to be staying home. They have to work, and to be quite honest, they're not real keen on camping. Maybe I'll convert them at some point, but they're old enough to kind of make their own decisions and stay home if they want to. So it'll be us three, and we're going to leave after we pick my daughter up from school and head that way. It should take us about an hour and a half to get there, and we're going to camp at a couple spots I found a couple weeks ago, right on the water. We're going to choose from one of the spots. There's about 3 or 4 spots to choose from, but it's going to be really cool. As far as the weather forecast goes, yesterday it was reporting that it's supposed to be sunny this afternoon. It is not. It's cloudy. At least it's not raining. I kind of wish it was sunny so it'd be a little warmer and the sun was out and all that, but we'll make the best of it. And so yeah, got to get going here. It's about 11:30 I think right now, or noon. So we got to leave here in a couple hours. Got to get everything packed up in the Jeep. I've got my Overland cabinet that you see here in the back that I've done another video on. Check it out right here. I'll probably put it on the screen here. If not, it'll be at the end of the video. But that contains all of my stuff, all the basic stuff that I take everywhere. So it's got most of it in there already. I just have to go down my checklist to make sure we've got, what I think we have in the cabinet. And then we have to pack up food and, of course, drinks and some clothing and things like that. So going to get started and get everything packed up back here. All right, the sun's out, starting to peek out, which is a good thing. Got the Jeep all packed up behind me here. I'll show you around here, see what we got packed up. All right, so here we go. This is all packed up, cooler's packed up. I won't show the inside of that, but we got all our drinks and adult drinks and all kinds of stuff in there. Got my table up there. Got the wood for the fire tonight. Camp chairs, of course, rooftop tent. Got one little place carved out here for Kaylin to sit. Let's see if I can show you a little bit better. There we go. And we got all of our sleeping bags and pillows and all that good stuff. I'll tell you what, taking 2 more people along doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a big deal. I'm used to camping and packing by myself. It was kind of a lot more stuff than I thought it was going to be. But anyway, we are ready to go. Looking forward to a good time. We're going to leave here in about an hour, go pick my daughter up from school, and then we're going to hit the road. All right, we finally got on the road. We had a small mishap with the cord that goes to the freezer fridge. It's just a little splitter that I bought off Amazon, and it's just junk, I guess, and it finally went out on me, so I had to reroute the cable up to the front. Now the cooler's working again, so we are on our way. Looks like we got about an hour and 5 minutes. Got the family with me. My wife joined me this time. Say
hi.
Kaylin, can you say hi?
Can't see her.
Say hi. Yep, we should be there in about a little over an hour. We're going to get camp set up once we get there, and probably crack open a good beer and get situated. Start relaxing. we finally made it to camp, and it's beautiful tonight. Right here on the lake. Check this out. Right on the shore. Love this spot. Show you around camp here. All right. There's the beautiful wife cooking dinner. There's the crazy child relaxing in the chair. How's the relaxing coming? Good. Here's our fire ring. Nice fire ring. Here's our view. Pretty epic. Got the Jeep all set up right on the shore. Take you around here. We got the Annex set up for Kaylin. Cater bugs to sleep in. Right, Kaylin?
Yep.
This is only the second time I've had the Annex on the tent. Pretty nice. Got an air mattress in there for her. And a sleeping pad. And then of course, we go up to up there where we sleep in the rooftop tent. Let me show you guys the view we're working with here. There's gonna be our view in the morning. Check that out. Get the camera pointing down a little further. There you go. It's gonna be nice. All right, that's it for now. I'm gonna get down and enjoy a drink and sit by the lake.
Probably because of Draco's screams. Because Draco's screams like, ah!
I know.
Have you ever heard it scream?
Yes, when you have that playing, it's like, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, don't go in there! Yeah, I can hear that all the way back to my room.
Good morning. It's about 8:15, I believe. I've been laying in the tent awake for the past probably 2 hours. Had a good night's sleep last night. Let me get panned over here a little bit. I don't know if there's a fishing tournament going on or what on the lake, but there was a lot of boats out this morning, so it kind of woke me up a little bit. But yeah, overall, good night's sleep. Woke up a couple times, but I always do that when I camp. I can never sleep the whole night through, hardly. So anyway, just getting up. I'm really the only one up. My wife's still sleeping. My daughter was awake when I got up, but I think she's kind of snoozing still. So I'm getting ready to probably do a little walk around the point here. It's a nice little, several nice fire rings and campsites we found last night on our walk. Just gonna do a little morning walk, enjoy the sun, and then come back and get some breakfast going. All right, we're gonna go on a short hike this morning. Just gonna get on this little trail right over here and walk around this point. There's another campsite around here that's a really good one too. I want to show the family, so we're gonna go check that out. What you waiting on?
I'm trying to make
Big footprints?
Yeah.
Guess I can't complain. loose from all this lonely misery. Gotta get a move on, 'cause time ain't gonna wait for me. Writings on the wall, I can hear the beck and call of the things that I have yet to see. Waiting around me down, losing faith in who I am. Got to shake myself and tell me that I'm free. I ain't one to hang around and see. Gotta get a move on, 'cause time ain't gonna wait for me. Time ain't gonna wait for me. Patience is just lost on me. This thing they call it destiny. Give me all I got. Come into me. Yeah. Lay me down to sleep, sweet dreams never come to me. Like I'm always just one wink away. I can't stand to wonder what could be. Gotta get a move on, 'cause time ain't gonna wait for me. Time ain't gonna wait for me. Time ain't gonna wait for me. Time ain't gonna wait for me.
All right, it's been an awesome time, but we got to pack up and head out. You guys ready to go home? Caitlin, you ready to go home?
What?
You ready to go home?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
She wants to stay longer.
Light the fuse and run now, brother, 'cause you ain't got a lot of time. Don't you act surprised when it all goes to hell on your dime. Maybe you can stand tall enough to look the devil